Do you ever feel like you're running on a treadmill that never stops? Like no matter how much you do, the to-do lists grow longer, the noise gets louder, and the peace you crave feels further away. The emails, the deadlines, the endless notifications. Life today can feel like a storm we can't escape. If you felt this way, you're not alone. But what if I told you there's a timeless compass, wisdom passed down through centuries, that can help you navigate this storm and find clarity? Hidden in the wisdom of ancient sages lies profound simplicity, guidelines that can help us not just survive but thrive, even in today's chaotic world. Today we'll explore how timeless teachings can solve modern problems, and by the end of this video you'll have practical steps to bring this wisdom into your life. We wake up to alarms, rush through mornings, and get caught in the hustle of the day. Stress, anxiety, and endless distractions have become the norm. But this isn't just how life is. It's how we've been conditioned to live. Ancient wisdom teaches us to pause, reflect, and act with purpose. The first lesson is this: clarity comes from simplicity. The Stoics believed in focusing on what's within your control. Imagine a morning where instead of rushing, you take a few moments to breathe, prioritize, and set a clear intention for your day. That small shift can change everything. Next, remember the power of gratitude. Ancient teachings across cultures emphasize giving thanks, not for the extraordinary, but for the everyday. Gratitude transforms stress into perspective and fills our days with meaning. Finally, let's talk about resilience. Life is unpredictable, but the ancients remind us that challenges are opportunities to grow stronger. By embracing setbacks as lessons, you cultivate inner peace and strength. So, how can you apply this ancient wisdom today? Start small. Begin your mornings with a moment of stillness. Write down one thing you're grateful for, and at the end of your day reflect what went well, what could improve. Over time, these practices will transform your mindset and your life. Ancient wisdom isn't a relic of the past, it's a guide for living fully in the present. In a world of chaos, it reminds us of what truly matters. Let's embrace this timeless compass to navigate stress, find clarity, and build lives of purpose and growth. Thank you for watching this journey into ancient wisdom. If this resonated with you, hit the like button and share this video with someone who needs it. Subscribe to Sage Chronicles for more insights on living better and thinking deeper. And let's keep the conversation going. Drop a comment below about how you plan to bring ancient wisdom into your daily life. Until next time, stay curious and keep reflecting.